Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Monday the 9th of March and it's a beautiful sunny day. If you're in Benidorm at the moment, drop a comment below and let me know. And I hope you're having a fabulous holiday. Or are you due to come out to Benidorm? Maybe you're coming out for the Cheltenham racing. That starts this week. A lot of places are showing the racing live. Got the KU lounge there. Quite busy. Oh wow, people even in the sea today. So it must be warmer than it looks. Are you a Benidorm regular or a Benidorm virgin? What do you think of Benidorm? Got Taco Bell there, that's open today. There's a few people in there. Drop a comment below as well if there's anywhere that you want me to go and film. Gracias.
Mira, Carla.
Five Guys actually have some people in today. Penelope's. Looking busy as well today. So hit the like, hit the share guys, hit subscribe and don't forget to smack that notification bell so that you'll always be notified when I upload more great content, and I'll see you on the next one.